Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, Monkey. Hi, Monkey. Hi, Paul. Thank you, Monkey. Hope you've been keeping an eye on things. Yes, I have, mate. Good, thank you very much. Today, we're going to be just pinching out the tips of my beautiful sweet peas. Forget the name of them, but I know they're a good variety. And we'll get the tips pinched out. That'll thicken them up. We'll then get more flowers. The professional growers, the ones that grow for shows, nice to keep a single stem, concentrate all the energy into a few choice blooms. But we're not going for that. We're going for more blooms, more scent, more colour. First of all, I'll get the camera set up like so. Turn that round, if you got that. What we're going to be doing then, get that right, I'm using my favourite little snips, which I swear by. They're so easy to sharpen on my little sharpening stone. Good quality, stainless steel, and do a really good job. They're basically a real sturdy set of scissors, really sharp. So you can leave them to go longer than this. But what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be just cutting out, if you can see that, see out there? Nipping out the tops like that. As long as you've got one set of decent leaves on, you know you're going to be alright. So what happens is, it will send out side shoots from all the areas where you've got nodes. All them areas will send out more side shoots. It'll panic, it'll say, right, being damaged, being cut, we need to survive. So all it'll do then is force these to fatten up, and they will start sending out some lovely side shoots. I won't cut all these back at the moment because all of them aren't to the same height. Just give them the first feed, which they're enjoying. But what I will do is just cut out the ones I can. So do this one-handed. I'll try. Let's have a look, shall we? So yeah, hold it with my right. I'll try and hold it with my right hand. I'm right-handed, so I'm doing this with my left hand. So ones like this, yeah, it can quite easily cut out that. I'm still left with two leaves there. They will send out more shoots from the sides. Some, yeah, they've all got, most of them got at least one lot, so I should just go there, like so. Can you see that? Just above the leaf note. You need to make it really sharp. You don't want to be tearing it or damaging it like that. So by doing that, go again. This one here, this one's got two lots. As you see, even though it hasn't got leaves growing out of these ones here, I can just see it there. That will send out some new growth shoots. Just go around, nip, nibbity snip. This will cut them and make them thicker and nicer. Get rid of all the cut material. You don't want that rotting, causing fungal diseases, powdery mildew, that sort of thing. So yeah, these are going to be great. See that one there? Like I said, I've just started feeding them now as well. So yeah, that one's great. You can impact that bit there. And collect anything. See there? They've got some shoots coming out from the bottom as well. So I'll probably got some extra peas in there that I didn't realise. But you just want to go around, just check everything. And some of them, like I said, they're not all going at the same rate, but that's not a problem. Just have to leave the others. Spin it around. Just do some here. You just have to leave the others until they've caught up, and you can pinch them out as well. So yeah, just spin it round again. Get a good look now. These have all been done at this side. Just get them on there. Yeah, like I said, give them the first feed. It's a liquid feed. Forgot the name of it. It's a really good two-part solution, and they really do like it. So can't recommend that enough. I have to get the name of it. I'll post it on one of my later videos. This one here's gone over, so by pulling that out, helps it stand up a little bit straighter. Any more? Get that one there. Yeah, people say, oh, you don't want to sow them too early. Well, I've got lucky. I've got my little heated greenhouse, so I can actually sow them a little bit earlier. I've got plenty of light coming in. One thing I do tend to get with my sweet peas is a fungal disease called powdery mildew, which I always get, no matter what I grow, every year guaranteed to get it. So with these, what I'll start doing, first sign of it, what you can do is get a silvery layer, a bit like mildew. Hey, I wonder why they call it powdery mildew. Idiot, aren't I? So yeah, you get a little silvery patch on your leaves. All you want to do then is give them a good spray. I use a spray, I can't remember the name of it now. I think it's called Fungus Fighter, yeah. Fungus Fighter Concentrate. I give them a good spray all over it, and that really gets on top of it. If you catch it early and you perhaps don't get too badly affected, it really won't affect them over the full growing season. I'm using a peat-based compost. Like I said, I've just started feeding them. It's been several weeks since I sowed these. If you've got any questions about growing sweet peas, please don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Say goodbye, Monkey. Goodbye, Paul. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.